My dear viewers, a Korean young actor is arrested in Korean police. My dear viewers, first of all, I have a request for you. Please, if you are new on our YouTube channel, then please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Today, this is very sad news because a young actor is arrested on the Korean police. My dear viewers, he is born on Korean city and Korean country. Sorry. His age is only 24 years. My dear viewers, sorry for this noise because I am within friends. My dear viewers, I hope you are all okay. If you are a big fan of please and subscribe for him YouTube channel. Viewers, please on YouTube channel. It is 7th July 2020. My dear viewers.